Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making some resin charms. I have a really cute Pusheen silicone mold. There are 6 cavities here and they're super cute. Just look at them. And we're going to make them holographic. So I have some hyper hollow glitter powder. These are holographic and has 6 different colors. Over here I have pink, rose gold, lilac, this one is pewter, black, and teal blue. I think they're gonna look really cute. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is mix some resin. I measured each of the cavities and we're going to need about ½ an ounce for each cavity. We're not going to fill it all the way up to the top, just about halfway. We're going to separate out the resin into 6 different cups, and in each cup we're going to add the glitter powder. And then we're going to stir it up really well. Before we start pouring, check each cavity for dust particles. I'm using a piece of tape here to pick up anything that might be down on the bottom. And taking a look at this mold, you can see that there are little cavities here for the mouth, the whiskers, and the eyes. Sometimes air bubbles get trapped down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour just a little bit of resin in and make sure those cavities are filled. Just going to push them in there. Also have a little toothpick. I'm just kind of going to poke it into the cavity and just make sure if there are any bubbles, we clear them out. And then we can fill in the rest of the cavity. I'm going to do the same with the rest of them. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and these are ready to be demolded. Let's go ahead and pop these out and take a look. Oh, these are really pretty. And so these are matte because the silicone mold is matte. So what we're going to need to do is add another layer of resin over it. Here's the purple one. Black one, the pink one, the teal one, and I think this one's black and the other one was pewter. But before we coat it with resin, let's go ahead and paint the eyes and whiskers. So I'm just going to use black paint. And we are going to just paint it. We're also going to color in the stripes. First, we're going to take some liquid latex and we're going to paint a layer of it on the bottom of the charm. This will protect the bottom from any resin trips. Resin does not stick to latex, so after it's dried, we can easily peel it off. Now we're going to spread a thin layer of resin over the top. As you can see, it looks really sparkly. We're going to cover the top and also the sides of each charm. And if we get any drips on the bottom, it's alright because we can just peel it off with the latex. This is actually a lot of fun to do. I love seeing the colors come out. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and they are looking fantastic. Oh my goodness, look at the glossiness of these. They're so shiny. So this top coat really brought out the shine on these little Pusheen cats. So now comes the fun part. We get to take off the little latex in the back. As you can see, we got some drips here and these will come off with the latex. That way the back is nice and clean. Oh my goodness, so shiny. So that's our first one. Alright everyone, and we are done. Oh my goodness, these little Pusheens look so cute. Look at this. Look how shiny it is. So one other thing that we can do is add another layer of resin on the back, just so that it has a little bit more of a dome effect on the back side, similar to the front side. But we will save that for after this video. I just want to show you these little Pusheens and how beautiful they look. So these are the perfect size to be made into magnets or little keychain charms, and they will look really, really cute. So do you have a favorite color? We have 6 colors here today, and I like all of them. I think I like this purple and this red one the best. Let's look at these. So if you have a favorite color, let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!